We are a professional manufacturer of outdoor gear. Our flagship product: folding wagon, rooftop tent, pet stroller, outdoor table and chair, storage box, garden cart. Custom available. From concept to sample, our in-house engineering team works directly with you. Provide your dimensions or 3D files, and we handle the rest. We control every step: material sourcing, production, and quality control. This ensures consistent quality for every batch, large or small. We ship worldwide. Whether you need private labeling, custom colors, or complete design modifications, we deliver. Ready to grow your outdoor product line? Partner with us. Contact us today for a quote or to discuss your next project.